Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, so you will never miss any video. Hello viewers, today we are exploring about new 70mm Dash Cam Lite 1080p. New 70mm Dash Cam Lite 70mm Lite is a car recorder that records in full HD 1080p resolution. It has 2 megapixels camera, GPS, 24-hour parking monitor, 130 FOV night vision, Wi-Fi car DVR with G-sensor parking system. Provides solid accident evidence and help with insurance claims. G-sensor. Due to the G-sensor technology, 70mm Dash Cam Lite can automatically start recording when collision detached. Footage locked in event file separated from regular file to avoid being overwritten. WDR. WDR technology can adjust exposure balance, enabling the camera to pick up greater detail in darkness and highlights, allowing the dash cam to process more light on the sensor and produce a more vibrant image. 130-degree wide angle. 130-degree wide angle allows a larger viewing angle to be recorded, and enables drivers to see 4 lanes of traffic. Along with 6 glass, it can provide light transmission, thus recording crystal clear video. The 70mm dash cam need only TF card that can work with storage for video. The original SanDisk Class 10 TF card is the only authorized brand from 70mm. We will only recommend the original SanDisk Class 10 TF card to buy. Check description to buy in best prices. Image sensor IMX307 Super HD night vision makes sharp and colorful recordings even in low light. Starvis CMOS SONY IMX307 sensor with the effective photosensitive area is superb for night vision. When in the dark, it will automatically adjust and optimize light before recording. The 70mm Cam Lite does not support voice control. App language support 5 languages: English, Russian, Korean, Japanese, Spanish.